What's going on YouTube? Dan with Rimrite Wheel Repair Powder Coating. Just showing you a little Camaro SS wheel we're repairing here. This is actually how we started our business, was repairing curb rash. We've got the damage all removed here, getting ready for the final prep work. But I thought I'd make a quick video to show you some of these wheels we're working off. It's off this F-150 for a dealership. They actually went ahead and bedlined the bottom half of it, or quarter of it, and the bumpers and stuff, just to kind of freshen it up. But if you look at these wheels, that's all corrosion. So basically what happens is the clear coat chips on it, water, salt, all that kind of stuff gets up under there and starts eating away at the aluminum, and you get a white powdery substance. So these are stripped, all the clears off of them. We just outgassed them at 450 for 10 minutes, or for 30 minutes once they hit that temperature. And we're waiting for them to cool. We're going to sandblast them and then powder coat them like a satin black is what they want. So sometimes with center caps it's kind of a pain in the butt to do, to get them to match. These were chrome, so paint doesn't stick too well to chrome. So right now we're, believe it or not, plasti dipping them. It's one of the best ways for cheap to get your caps to match. You can actually see the chrome bubbling underneath. They probably should have just ordered new caps, but again, it's a used vehicle. They just kind of want to get it in and out. But you can kind of see the different ways you can make money powder coating. These dealers, they get these cars all the time that are just beat to crap, and their wheels need to be freshened up. So if you have any questions or anything on what we do or how we do it, just go ahead and ask at the bottom, and then make sure you subscribe. We're going to be coming up with some more cool videos. We're going to start powder coating some crazy stuff, so make sure to check back frequently.